Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. Our client assigned a new task. This is the assignment of financial accounting. The title of the assignment is Shelly Cashman, Excel, 2019 Module 6, End of Module Project 1. Our client provided us with some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. This assignment is divided into multiple steps. To complete this assignment, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Excel file, save it with a new name and ensure your name is in cell B6. Step 2. Format the account representative's data as a table. Step 3. Sort the table by account rep name and total sales. Step 4. Use VLOOKUP to assign tiers based on evaluation scores. Step 5. Calculate bonuses for platinum tier reps using the IF function. Step 6. Apply conditional formatting to highlight high, average, and low evaluation scores. Step 7. Add a total row to calculate rep bonuses, client counts, sales, and average scores.
Step 8. Use functions like daverage, sumif, and countif to summarize key findings. Step 9. Filter and list account reps with high sales in the Southeast. Step 10. Filter the table to display clients outside the Southeast. Step 11. Sort the devices table alphabetically by device name and format it. Step 12. Add a new device record to the table. If you need our help, we provide 2 types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 73096 55268 or log into our website helpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.